Hello all, how are you doing? In this video, I'm going to share a few drawings and a portrait which is done by me. I really had a great desire to draw since my childhood, but I didn't go any classes. So this drawings will be only on the level of beginner. Now this is my first drawing. Actually it's not a drawing but an experiment which have been done with paint and thread. Yeah, it really makes a flower a beautiful one. It's actually in pencil art. This picture has been taken from Pinterest. Yeah, you really know Pinterest things which will be aesthetic. This outlines and detailing has been given with the help of black color sketch and stick pen, because that time I didn't have any Sakura kind of pens to give this outline. Actually that round thing has to be in pure white, but I'm not pro in drawing, so I used whitener for that. This portrait is my second most favorite part of this drawing book, because it's the first portrait I drew since my childhood. I really drew it with more flowers on it, so I actually love this kind of art. This outline and detailing has been given with Sakura pen. This one is my most favorite drawing, since now it shows Holy Kaaba and a Quran in Mecca, so I really fell in love with this drawing. I actually highlighted Holy Kaaba with black and a golden painting. This picture has been taken in Pinterest. For this doodle art too, I took pictures from Pinterest, but it was not a single one. I really mixed up with three pictures from Pinterest and make it one. For this doodling, I used Dom's blush pen and mixed with water to get this output. This final picture was also taken from Pinterest. I really thought not to show this drawing. We humans really make mistakes and we learn from it. Yeah, I do believe in it. And for this I used Dom's color pencils. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe, share and comment.